Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Hadoop file system using Gigahex, which is an open source data infrastructure platform. So right now I have already installed the Gigahex and I don't have SDFS installed. So we would be setting up SDFS on a local system from scratch. And before I begin, I'll just start the timer and let's see if we can complete within 1 minute. Give it a name, choose the Hadoop, save it and click on start. So right now it is downloading the entire Hadoop binaries, which is around 377 MB. And once it has downloaded, it is going to start the name node and the data node. Let's look at the timer. So we are almost halfway there. And it's almost 80%, and in few seconds it will start the name node and the data node services. So the name node is running and data node is also running. Okay, so we have the cluster up and running, and we can just check. Fine, so we have it almost ready, and we just need to create the directories. Awesome. So this is how you can install Hadoop using Gigahex data platform. For more videos, subscribe to YouTube channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.